Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked account on Netflix. We click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Netflix app and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.